Meaning of lecture theater.
Lecture theater.
Lecture theater.
Lecture theater.
Lecture theater. A lecture theater is a room or venue designed for the purpose of delivering lectures or presentations to an audience. It typically features seating for the audience, a podium or stage for the speaker or presenter, and audiovisual equipment such as a projector or microphone to aid in the delivery of the lecture or presentation. Lecture theaters are commonly found in universities, colleges, and other educational institutions, as well as in conference centers and other similar venues where seminars or talks are held.